Smiling. Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in physics, the theory of relativity. And yes, we'll break it down in just 3 minutes. So let's get started. There are actually 2 parts to this theory, special relativity and general relativity. Let's start with special relativity. Special relativity, introduced in 1905, deals with objects moving at constant speeds, particularly those close to the speed of light. 2 key ideas here are: first, the speed of light in a vacuum is always the same, no matter how fast the observer is moving. Whether you're on a fast-moving spaceship or standing still, light's speed remains constant at about 299,792 kilometers per second. Second, time dilation means that time moves slower for objects moving at high speeds compared to those at rest. So, if you travel in a spaceship at near light speed, you'd age slower compared to your friends on Earth. Crazy, right? Now let's talk about general relativity, which Einstein published in 1915. General relativity extends these ideas to include gravity. It suggests that massive objects like Earth or the Sun warp the fabric of spacetime. Imagine spacetime as a stretched-out fabric. When a heavy ball, representing a massive object, is placed on it, the fabric bends. This curvature is what we perceive as gravity. Objects like planets and stars move along these curves, which is why planets orbit around the Sun. So, there you have it. Special relativity explains how time and space are linked for objects moving at constant speeds, while general relativity shows how gravity affects the fabric of spacetime. Smiling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments if you have any other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching.